this is where we at today. First stop. I went crippled. You crippled. Come along this journey.
I do need a cart to help me look.
What? You can't read, can you? There clearly says interest only, and you go through the exit only door.
Hi there.
Oh yeah. I legit need some of these for my shoes, but I don't know what's stopping me from buying them. Like, it will fit my heels, these big ones. But it's like $11 for one shoe box. I got a lot of shoes. Don't get me wrong. Who trying to spend all that money like that for a shoe box? But I'm gonna have to because I want it to be all uniform and stuff. These are all shoe racks. I think you can put all these over your door or something. I don't know. But yeah. Where they get these, Grandma? Okay. Is Target sponsoring you?
No, but
okay, then chill, relax. See, now when I get married and get my walk-in closet, you have to pay attention to shit like this. Like, what kind of knobs you want in your drawers and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Like, oh, look at my knob.
Right, look at my knobs. That's like shit I would say. So look at my knobs. And they have to be soft clothes. Y'all didn't give in. They have to be soft clothes because that's how we do it, okay?
I just love it.
Yes.
Oh, it has like a little
My vagina
mirror.
just tingled. Look at this. This is sexy, okay? This is sexy. You put your bras here. Your grandma panties in here, your thongs and stuff go here. So you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like it's all situated, right? And it's not messy or crowded. This is perfect. Oh my gosh. I can see my stuff in here.
Oh, look, they have a black one. I like the black one. Yeah, I like this main one too, but this black one is like more my style. But you can't really see what's in it.
This only costs you about 2 stacks for all of this, you know? Just this right here would cost you 2 stacks. Just that. That's it. Oh, this finish is 2 stacks. This finish is only $1,300.
Like if they build it in your closet?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they won't build it. They'll sell you the hardware to build it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, build it. Come build it. Build it, please.
I think you can buy it from Ikea. They come in.
I thought
Oh, look, it's perfect for my baby. Look at the little girl clothes. That's how they get you. Travel section. Here go these TikTok boxes and shit. Look all of the people in the aisle.
Home Design or iDesign is a really good brand.
You can get these cheaper at Target.
You can, but I have a gift card.
Folks.
This can be like my first.
Ooh, what is this? And I see a clearance sticker. What is it? Is this for pets? What the fuck is it? I think it's for pets. This is the pet section. Oh, wow.
This was the one I originally found at Burlington. You know, this lady over here didn't wait in line for me.
First of all, it was
Well, they have that tea thingy here where you get the you know what I'm talking about? The tea organizer.
You mean for like your Keurig? cutie.
I do need to organize my what's it called?
I would like to get a more stylish, fashionable file cabinet for my house. You know, for our documents and stuff. These are so cute. But they want $260, baby. When they got little ones. These are cute. The colors are cute. Halt! Who goes there? I like this. It's sexy. $250, not bad. I really like that. So we're done with that. These suburbanites be doing the mostest
No, we don't.
when it comes to these stoves. Thank you. I don't understand. So here in the state, I don't know if it's just Chicago, it's in Illinois, they're having that whole, if you're fully vaccinated, you don't have to wear your mask, you know, in the stores or whatever. But I feel as though like some people, white people, who are this whole coronavirus is a hoax or blah blah blah, you know, they're not getting vaccinated, but yet they'll still get those fake ass cards saying that they're vaccinated, so they don't have to wear a mask. So I'm not taking any risk, and I'm wearing my mask wherever the hell I go, because anybody got time for that.
That's great.
Really don't have time for it.
Have time for what?
White people not being vaccinated, not wearing masks. That was bad. I couldn't say. It's not just white people, but
I'm gonna say it might be all people.
she half white. That's why she taking up for them. It's not just white people.
I'm just saying, you know, us, my black half might still do it.
Do what?
Not wear my mask.
No, they're not gonna go through the whole thing of getting a fake vaccination card.
Oh no.
No.
You know,
Right.
it's too much work.
Exactly.
But I got mine. I need to laminate it though, but I got mine. That's all that matters. I need to put in the destination for Ikea.
We're going to Ikea.
My
Donna's
first
never
time.
been to Ikea.
My first Sundays. I'm excited.
Here's
Can't
the
you tell?
thing. I don't go shopping. Everything I do is online.
Well, the dresser, I can't
The
speak. The dresser that I want is online, but it's out of stock everywhere. But it costs $400. But it has a lot of storage.
My feet hurt already.
You in the car?
I don't like shopping.
All right, guys. I'll be back. It's only 30 minutes away from here.
I need something to drink.
I want to go to McDonald's because I want a
I'm
burger.
feeling Starbucksy today.
It's right there.
Look at God.
Can I get a kid's drink?
No.
I'm a kid though.
I bought your kid ass breakfast last weekend.
And
You good for the month.
no, I'm not. At least I'm gonna finish my drink.
And lunch.
No, because I bought our food.
What food? What food?
I don't remember, but I bought it.
No, you didn't. I bought the damn pasta.
It was fine.
You're like, oh, I'll buy you Johnny's. We went to
yeah,
Johnny's.
but
That girl didn't buy me
said you
shit.
wanted to do it. You went to got your own cash, and I was gonna buy it because I said
Then she got the nerve to ask me for some more shit like I ain't got kids.
I am one of the kids.
I ain't got kids and bills to pay.
I am one of the kids.
What's wrong with her, y'all? Let me
I
put my
just want
seatbelt on.
a small drink.
And you could just pay for it. You better
It
use
don't have
that.
to be a big
You better
one.
use that Container Store gift card.
That's how you feel? Just gonna come for the Container Store like that? The Container Store ain't do nothing for you.
Come on now, y'all.
Granddaddy got that Jag. You don't see that? It's that big spinners over here.
These old white people got money.
That's what I'm trying to be like.
Old white people?
Yeah, they got money stashed away. Motherfuckers be getting Corvettes, knowing damn well they can't see over the steering wheel. They body shrink. I was seeing a lady earlier, and she had like a humpback. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to straighten up my posture. Because I refuse to have one of them little archbacks and then lose 2 inches of my height. That is not going to happen.
You are already short. So.
Exactly. I don't need to be even shorter. That's the problem.
Where's Starbucks?
They took it away. It was right here.
You lied to me?
It was right here.
Thank you
for 24 amazing years. I can't see now. Damn thing. Oh, they're on Lake Cook and Skokie Boulevard. So they're going that way. So we'll still go. It's going up.
Starbucks.
But it was right here.
There's no Starbucks. Watch it.
I see that.
You didn't see FedEx, did you?
FedEx always get, that's what it was, UPS last
It was
time,
one
but it's
of
always
those.
by a Starbucks. I swear it's like a setup.
It's the policeman. He look racist with them glasses on.
Yeah, I don't like those glasses.
Mm-mm.
It's kind of like big glasses. Where's McDonald's? I just need a burger to last me till we get to Buffalo Joe's. Because that's the main excitement. That's all I'm looking for.
Who buying Buffalo Joe's today?
I'm gonna get it. Because you got the pasta.
Yo, we went to this place called Chicago Food on a Run. They're out south. When it's black owned, their food is like scrumdiddlyumptious. It's really good. We had the Raging Cajun Chicken Alfredo.
I told her she should have added the shrimp to it. She didn't want to listen.
It was so good. So that's the person who didn't pay for it.
You should add the shrimp. And I swear I thought that stuff named the lobster.
No, girl, what you think? How you know how much lobster costs?
But on the thing it's a lobster. Can I have a double cheeseburger plain?
Double cheeseburger plain, thanks.
Can I
That's
get a
it.
cup of water?
Oh, and can you add a cup of water in there?
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
But yeah, they're out south. It's black owned. Their food is
It was fire. I ain't gonna lie.
so good, really good. I first tried it with my sister, I think like last year. And I live out west, so I'm not about to be doing all that to go get some food. But like when I'm out that way, I'm definitely grabbing it.
She the opposite of me. I'll go all the way. If I want it, I'm going. I don't care. That was the purpose. That is the purpose.
Reggie, I'll be back, guys.
For all the new inventory on the way, so to keep you in tune with all the latest trends and fashions like Velo, Fashion Geek, Promar, Jimmy Jeans, RTA, PRP, Superdry.
Finally made it. We're here.
I need to take a thumbnail.
Oh shit. This is a cute little setup. It would be perfect like if I had an apartment with a balcony. Right. This would be perfect. With the balcony right off the bedroom.
It's a pull-out closet theme again for me. Yes, honey. Oh, I can find a new bed set.
Beds.
Make sure you're checking the
Of the bed? Yeah. It's only $120, but it's low. It's really low. You guys see? That's nice.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Is this type glass on top too?
I think you could buy it because this is separate.
To make the glass?
The glass top is
Oh,
separate.
it's $20 extra.
Yeah.
Wow.
Reading is fundamental.
I didn't look all the way.
Yep. This is nice. Y'all know I like gray. With the gray. This is only $99. That one's only $129. She about to break a nail. I like those because they have the dressers at the drawers at the bottom. Functional. And then it has storage in the headboard as well. This was nice. This is the mattress. How much is the queen grid? Perfect for age. I know this is not $130. You lying. This is not $130 because we about to leave with this today. These are for all the pillows, right? I think no. Why does it say $249? Dark beige. This is not beige though. Y'all, this is not beige, right? This says cream gray. Headboard with storage. It's only $130. Farmer. $130. Cause my bed, yes. Oh my gosh. A wardrobe. Nice, not bad. With a little mirror. Hello. Not bad at all. And we got shelf right there. I don't know where Dawn went. I done lost her. Y'all see Dawn? No, this is the dresser I have, but I have the 4 drawers, and I need a new one. Well, that's one I have. I only have it different colors. See, this is the same bed. Okay, it's $249, y'all. It's not $130. It's $249. That's still not bad because it has the drawers and storage. I can put all the snacks right up in here. $249 isn't bad at all, to be honest. But you gotta put that bad boy together yourself. That's the only thing. I like that one. I really like it. This, yeah, and then the 2 dresses. Yeah, I really like that one.
I do too. I like it because it's simple. And it's like I can get the other dresser with it.
Yeah.
I should have took a picture.
I need one of those 3 drawers.
That's what I was saying. For like an end table.
Temporary oversold. That means they're not in stock. They probably won't be in stock for a while. But I need that for my end table. That'd be perfect. Take a picture of it because I need it too. Do it yourself price. The bed frame to support being that base. Oh, okay. So the headboard is just $130 because I thought it was just $130 over there. It said $130. But the headboard is just $130. And then the bed frame. Yeah, just give me the $250.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Take a photo. Say. Take a picture today.
They're so cute. No, my baby needs a bed for her. For her, just for her. Her own little space. I would definitely get this for my child. Hell yeah. With her little couch, she would be lit. It's a little high, but I don't think you could. This one's cute
But
too.
I like this one better.
This one was cheap.
I like this one better.
Yeah.
You probably don't have to have it this one. I think
The
she-
bed frame is $300, and then full white firm. That's the mattress.
I think
This
she
is
would be
so
kinda
cute.
scared if it was this high.
Yeah, she would be scared because she wouldn't know how to get down.
Yeah.
I mean, when she gets like 6 or 7, this would
Maybe
be perfect
second.
for her.
Yeah. 'Cause I like this like a little.
It's like her own little apartment.
I'm in love with the glass on top of everything.
Yeah.
But is it?
This is mine.
Dresser.
I need a new one. I want a 6. This is the dresser. I've had it for about like 5 or maybe 5, more than 5 years, like maybe 6 or 7 years.
The gray one's pretty. I don't like the end table. It's cute. Like I get their concept, but they should just made another drawer.
Yeah. IKEA furniture is like hit or miss. Like my coworker bought something from IKEA and it didn't last long, but mine's been good. Again, like 5, more than 5, because I had it before my baby was born. For like 6 or 7 years. Look at my bun. Dawn's car is low as hell. Messed up my hair.
No, it's not. Don't judge me. I like this.
You can't get this one.
Why?
This would be cute. Open me. It expands into a double bed. I don't know how to open you, baby. I'm sorry. That's cute. This is nice. I don't know what the fuck I put in my side. This note. Like, what the fuck did you put in here? My toys. Snacks. What?
Just get ideas. Everything is just so cute.
They have like bedrooms set up or how you could. This
in here for
is
me.
cute.
I love it.
I love it. Look at me.
I feel like we always go to a mirror. Oh, look at the shower. Somebody
I love the floating vanities.
get me in this shower.
So cute. Bubble bath. Kids, don't do drugs. Okay? Don't do drugs.
I like this shower.
This is cute. I like that. The light.
This is an amazing shower.
This is cute. I like the storage thing. Yes, I love storage. Especially when you live in a place that lacks it. You come to be appreciative of all of it. This is giving me patio furniture.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
What are you doing?
Put my tripod on.
Oh, look, it's a kitchen too. This is cute.
Is that a closet?
Yeah, it's a little one.
But you can pin like stuff on it? But that's cute. You can like pin stuff.
Mm-hmm. This is cute. I like this corkscrew. This is so cute. It could be yours for $969.
Did you say it could be yours? bathroom. YouTube vibes for the
I like the black finishes.
All YouTube vibes.
Oh, this is so sexy.
The vibe
This
organizer.
bamboo. I love it. And they have little ones for little babies, forks and spoons.
Dennis is not gonna be a baby that long. Sorry to tell you this.
This is nice.
For you guys who didn't know what she was talking about, that's what she was talking about. It looks really cute. Really, really cute.
I have more cooking utensils in this, so
Give you like a whole kitchen
that would work. Ouch.
Oh, wow. Was not expecting that.
one?
Yeah. I was not expecting that.
Wait, are these soft clothes? No.
No. It's cute though.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm lost. We can't read it.
I like how you have like the kitchen.
Cute. So cute.
Do they have a bathroom?
Does it? This is cute.
It's just the closet. But I like that closet, how it has like the mirror.
Mhm.
I still haven't seen the dresser. I really want to see it. Wait, this is like I thought that girl. Oh, this one has a mirror. And the white one was cute, but the dark one gives me like room vibes.
This is giving me nigga vibes.
I like the dark one. I really do.
Jeez, the white is cute. So cute, guys.
I love the white one.
I love the white one.
Still have yet to find it.
There are arrows in case you don't know where the hell you're going.
Thank you. I don't see those arrows. Have to find a way.
Go bad bitch, go bad bitch, go. These are textiles, pillows, and sheets. And shits. Yeah, I like those lights. They're giving me I'm sexy and I don't have to flaunt it vibes. Floating vanities for the win.
It's like stuff that I don't need right now. You know, we should make this like how we're doing it here. I ain't buying shit, but you know,
You're just here to
just
be
just to be here, just to be here. This is what our weekend consists of.
I want a sectional, I want a gray one, but this one's $800. It looks cheap as hell.
Yeah, that end of the little as hell.
Right,
Where the rest of the couch?
for $800.
Where's the rest of the couch that you have?
Right, that one over there, I think that one, this gray one over here, actually pulls out.
Like
Yeah. But it's so little too.
oh, it's like that pull out couches on
TikTok.
it's a vibe.
It pulls out. They want $600 for it, but it looks. I don't like how it looks. It looks cheap. It doesn't look comfortable either.
Sit on it.
The one. No. I can't get jiggy with this. Hold on, let me. So we're sitting on one of the couches I seen online. It's a gray sectional. It's not giving me couchy.
Vibe.
This is like a couch.
It's that.
I can't sit back and chill. Like, oh, let me put on TV. No, I can't do that on this couch. I'm gonna be sitting there like this. just awkward. You know, when you go over a nigga house for the first time and you sit on the couch, you like this. No, I don't like it. But I want a new couch. But it's not it, baby. This is for $900 pretty much. This one's bigger. Let's take a seat. It's still not giving me comfy couch vibes. I don't know. It's not it. No. No, guys. And this one was $200 more than the last one I just said on. It's quite bigger. Like, you could fit maybe 2 more people on here. But no. I don't see myself relaxing on this. If that makes any sense. Let's get up there. I like this corner sectional. I don't like the color at all, but the couch itself is cute. I like this table. Pretty cool. I like the table.
Yes, it is.
No, it's giving me, it's a couch, but it's not a couch.
That's exactly what it's giving. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Like, this one looks like it should be nice. See, this is comfortable. This is giving me, come on, let's sit on the couch and watch a movie.
She's getting vibes on this one. Okay, this is.
But it's not as sectional. I'm liking this one for sure. You ready for this? This is how much? This one piece. $1,700.
17.
For this one piece.
I don't know what that feels like.
For one piece. Baby. Oh, look, there goes another gray sectional. I don't think I'm getting a couch. Oh, look at this kitchen, y'all. This kitchen. They got the farmhouse sink, the island.
It's the kitchen for me.
Oh, look at this. Nice. Because you got a belly. I'm loving this.
New York.
Right?
In the city.
Bachelor pad.
Bachelor pad.
With the, okay.
Okay, yeah, this is definitely New York bachelor pad version. Seriously. I like this. It's very cozy. Very cozy.
Nice. This couch isn't that bad. See, all their furniture is low.
And little. Okay. On to the next. Here we go. And we're only on the second floor?
Homegirl's getting hungry.
Second floor.
And you already got a wedgie. So.
What time is it? 5:14.
What time BJ's close?
They'll close till midnight.
Oh. BJ's. We're going to BJ's after this. Blowjobs. We're going to blowjobs.
TikTok computer. No?
No.
How about the bookshelf? Don't you want to get a bookshelf?
I did need a bigger bookshelf, but not that big.
$49.
That's too big.
What the hell is $49?
I get it, but it's too much. It's gonna be empty. You gonna buy me some books?
Yeah.
Talk about some gear. Yes, girl. You got a food court? This is cute.
I have to take it on.
I actually like this a lot. I'm feeling this one. Where's the price tag? It's only $200, but the chairs are probably sold separately.
And the chairs is almost $200. This is like $150.
Yeah, this is $200, and then the chairs are $150 a piece. So what? $2, $5, $800.
About a stimmy. About a stimmy.
But this isn't $800 material at all. I mean, this is $200, yeah, for sure. But
This is the beginner set. I think Ikea is like a beginner furniture.
not even, no. You can get some good decent.
If you take
Just
your
have
time
to rate.
yeah, to do everything. Like that setup is very cute.
The little bar area is
Yeah.
cute.
And then
Oh, I love this wine. This is cute. That's cute. This is cute.
I think it's pretty cool.
It's cute. These are just drawers. But cute. Okay. Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's the famous wall one. Or no? Is it all over?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The mirror is on like everybody's page.
This is what everybody buys. It's cheap actually. For $129, this is not bad. It's huge.
Yeah, I know. And it's like looks sturdy. But I think
It's cute too. This is really cute. But this one is sexy. This one is calling my name. I love everything about it. I think it's the color, the tones of the marble. I love it. This is nice. I don't like these. But this is nice. And it has like a butler's chef's kitchen. Yeah. 2 ovens. You know you got money when you got 2 ovens. It's just cute.
Okay. It was just a couch. But if y'all want to sponsor me when I get bigger to get me like a milk house.
Look at the blower. This is nice. Dishwasher.
Right here.
Sink. Nice. Ready? Let's go look at another one.
Yeah, I don't think I would want it.
I mean, it looks fine as a display, but I would not choose it.
This is nice. I can dig this. I can get around this one.
This is like Rome.
Is this the microwave?
Is it a push microwave?
No, but it's pretty nice.
Ooh,
Right?
I like it.
Sink.
It's the
I like that.
I like this.
Just nice. This is sexy. Shit like this. You wanna turn me on? Put me in some shit like this. You feel me? You'll get whatever you want. You put me in some shit like this.
The stove. And I like
The hood?
Yeah, this thing.
All kitchens come with hoods.
I know,
This is
but
just fancy.
I like this.
Oh.
And I like this grill. I mean this stove.
Yeah, this is.
But I want 6 burners. I mean 6 eyes. Not just 5.
This is sexy.
Pretty sexy.
This is nice too. Y'all know I like gray. I love gray. The counter, the island. Love it. I'm not feeling these over here. It's like apartment kitchen. Yeah. Ooh, this is cute now. This is cute for my little apartment, okay? I can dig this. I can dig it. Which one? Oh, this is sexy. Yeah, this is giving me sexy vibes.
I have cheese on the table.
This is nice.
Oh, I like that wine rack in the corner.
Yeah, that's cute. how to get the meatballs when you come to Ikea. Trying the Ikea meatballs for the first time. Girl, you don't take a bite of that motherfucker. That little baby a bite. What do you expect? She has taste buds of a child.
I do not.
You never do.
No, I don't. Maybe a little more gravy. I don't remember. I don't remember. I really don't remember. We can't find the car.
Dude, where's that car?
Dude, where's my car? Found it. Found it. Found Sid the kid. We found her. Best experience ever. I was gonna do that, but I was gonna be a player and play it off because I knew my car. She needs a car wash though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So I asked Don why I'm here to straighten my hair. And I don't know, because it's going to be hot. And you guys know I got natural hair. And when it gets hot, baby, it gets frizzy. But I'm going to have her straighten my hair. And I'll just keep it wrapped up or something. So stay tuned. So I just got done washing my hair. Now it has to get blow dried, detangled, and then flat ironed. This is no product, no nothing, just shampoo, conditioner, rinsed out. And it's still damp.
And I had the little like wind. What is this called? I don't know.
You did that for no reason.
Before that, I write out and all that type of stuff on Sundays. So I'm really trying to stick to it because since my birthday was last week, it really just threw me off. Like my schedule was connected.
Ooh, look at me now. Shout out to Sid. I cannot go outside and get some hoes because yes, that's the whole purpose of me flattening my hair. Is to get my whole game up. You feel me? Cause guess what? Pippin' ain't easy.
Stop it.
But I got to do it. I do want some more highlights. I think I'm gonna go and get some because I think the last time I got highlights was I think my birthday last year. That was a whole nother story. I went and got my hair done. She did my hair and legit maybe 2 or 3 hours later that shit was poofy as fuck because it was hot as shit outside. It was just a waste of her time and my time and my money. But yeah, my hair is done. Now let me go bother somebody's son.